What's up guys, and welcome to our brand new channel. My goal is to bring you guys new tech related content on a weekly basis. So today I thought we'd kick things off with what I feel should definitely be a New Year's resolution for any of you that haven't yet made the jump to a solid state drive. Today we're going to be taking a look at Transcend's 1TB SSD230s, as well as how you'd go about installing it using their installation kit, which is available separately. The kit makes the whole installation process and transferring your data from your old hard drive to your new solid-state drive an absolute breeze. Let's get into it. Now, if you're still new to the world of solid-state drives, you might be wondering what would the main benefits be if I were to upgrade my hard drive to a solid-state drive. Well, I would order the benefits as follows. Number 1, SSDs are fast, really fast. In fact, if you have an old PC or notebook, upgrading your hard drive to an SSD would arguably provide the biggest boost in overall performance. Number 2, they're shock resistant. There are no moving parts or disks in an SSD, hence the name solid state drive. This means that the drives are far more reliable, and it also means that they're virtually completely silent. So no more whirring sounds when you're transferring or accessing files. Number 3, they're more energy efficient. Up to 90% more efficient to be in fact. So for example, if you're running your notebook on battery power, you'd be able to squeeze out more productivity versus a notebook that has a hard drive installed. The SSD230s forms part of Transcend's next generation of SATA 3 6GB/s solid-state drives. It features 3D NAND flash memory and impressive read and write speeds of 560 MB/s and 520 MB/s respectively. Now, moving on to the installation kit. Whether you're upgrading a desktop or a notebook, the installation kit includes everything that you need to upgrade in 3 easy steps. The kit includes a USB to SATA adapter, a screwdriver, a SATA cable, mounting screws, a mounting bracket, and a spacer. Of course, you'll also need Transcend's SSD scope software, which allows you to easily migrate your data from an old hard drive to your new solid-state drive. The software is free to download. You can use the link down in the description below. Right, let's get stuck into the actual upgrade process. Step 1, clone your existing hard drive to your new solid-state drive using Transcend's SSD scope software. You'll need the SATA to USB adapter to perform this step. Step 2, time to physically remove your old drive. Step 3, install your new drive. If you're doing this in a desktop, you may need to use the provided mounting bracket in the installation kit. It depends on what sort of mounting points your case has. And it's as simple as that, guys. Time to boot up your machine and enjoy the benefits of your new SSD. I promise you that you'll never look back again. So like I said about the New Year's resolution, guys, it's 2019. If you're still holding out on upgrading to an SSD, don't. With the performance of Transcend's SSD230s and their installation kit, you have the perfect combo to easily upgrade and enjoy all the benefits that an SSD has to offer. Thank you for watching, guys, and yes, I'm going to say it, if you'd like to see more videos like this in future, please be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.